Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Settings to get control of display output. From the home screen, press the menu button and go to Settings, Display and Sounds. Once there, choose Display to see resolution and frequency options. Make sure your TV supports the mode you'll pick. You're doing this now to avoid trial and error later. If you can't find Display, check that the Firestick is fully booted and the remote is paired. This gives you the panel to change resolution and calibration. Now you'll change resolution and test output. Choose video resolution and either set auto or pick a specific value like 1080p or 4K. Pick what your TV supports. Once done, the Firestick will prompt you to keep or revert. Keep it only if the image looks correct. Next, set display frequency to 60 Hz or 50 Hz depending on your region, because mismatched frequency causes judder. Make sure to test HDR toggles if you're complete the process with calibration and a final check. Open Display Calibrator to adjust overscan so menus aren't cut off. Move edges until the grid fits. Once calibrated, play a video to verify audio-video sync and color. If you still see black screen or flicker, restart the Firestick and TV, try a different HDMI port, or use the HDMI extender and test another HDMI cable. If nothing works, you can factory reset as a last resort. Backup apps and accounts before doing that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.